Hello everyone, this is Denim Darlin, and today I have another unboxing video for you. So let's see what I've got. I'm really excited about these. I haven't seen these in person. I've seen something similar, and you'll see what I mean by that. I ordered these about a week ago, and I ordered them through Red Wing Chicago. Rocky at Red Wing Chicago, thank you very much for your great service. I really appreciate your help. I connected with Rocky via Instagram, and he was able to help me out. And here it is. Red Wing Heritage Women. Here is the postcard, signature postcard that comes with a boot purchase in every box. The dust bag, which every boot comes in. And boom, ba-dum. Here we go. These are very beautiful. This is the motto in a honey Chinook leather. And I said something similar to what I have because I have the Iron Ranger in honey Chinook leather. They're so pretty. So this leather is very velvety, very soft. Let's see. Take that out. Extremely supple. Extremely supple. Super soft. Brand spanking new. This is model number 3372. And I got these in a size 6, which is my usual mock toe size. And let's see the other one. I really do love these bags. They come in handy. I use them for not just boot storage, but I use them for accessories and for carrying things around. So these, as I've said in previous videos, there's information on the tongue of every boot. It shows you the size, the model number. Every boot has it basically has a manufacturing number on it, and that's how you can tell that the boots go together or pair together. The pair should have the same manufacturing number. And then they also have the date that they were made. These were made December of 2020, so not too long ago. Let me bring them up close so y'all can see. Alrighty, so here it is. Very pretty leather. And if you haven't seen my boot care video, I did show how to clean this leather. I used the Nubuck and Rough Out kit on my San Mojave Iron Rangers, but this is Nubuck leather, so that same kit I'm able to use on these boots and also on my honey Chinook Iron Rangers. And let me show you guys just a little close-up really quick of the information on the tongue for those of you who haven't seen the previous video on which I mentioned it. So let me make sure I get this right for you guys. At the very bottom is a manufacturer number. On this side is my size. The letter B is the width for women. The standard width is B. And then on this side, or in the center, is the model number, so 3372. And right over here at the very bottom, right there, is the date that they were produced. That's what the inside of the boot looks like. a traction tread polyurethane sole. It doesn't track as much dirt as a regular sole would, so it's really nice. 360 Goodyear welt. This boot is resolable. And underneath that footbed, so there's that layer of leather, a little rubber bouncy center. Beneath that there's cork. This is leather right here that the boot is welted to. And these are the signature laces that usually come with their boots. So thank you guys very much for watching me unbox these boots. It was fun making this video, especially every time I get to see a pair that I've never seen before in person. It's always fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. This is Denim Darlin, and I plan on posting more videos that you guys find of value. Take care.